Hi everyone, and welcome back to Awesome English. This is Level 1, Lesson 4. And today, before we get started, we are going to learn another new idea. Are you ready? Let's check it out. What is that? Ooh. Do you see that? It's a dog. Where? In water. What is it doing? It's swimming, right? It's swimming. So, swim. Swim. But is it good? Yes, it is good. So, this dog can swim. Can means good. I can swim. So, can swim. What is the... Let me set that down. What is the... No. So, can... This dog can't. It can't swim. He's standing there. This dog can't swim. So, can, okay, can't. Okay, so that's our idea for today. Can and can't. Let's learn some new words. Here we go. Number 1. What is this? What is this? This is drive. 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 Yeah. This is drive. So, can he drive? Yeah, he can drive. He can drive. I can drive. Can you drive? Tell me. Write your answer down below. Leave me a comment. Can you drive? I can drive. Let's try number 2. What is that? You know, I love food, right? So, what is this? This is cook. Cook. Cool. He or she, I think that's a man, he can cook. He can cook. Can you cook? I can cook. Let's try that. Look at that. I can cook. He can cook. She can cook. We can cook. It doesn't change. Can is the same for everyone. So, how about this one? I can't cook. I can't cook. I can't drive. It's the same. So let's try it with cook. I can't cook. He can't cook. She can't cook. We can't cook. They can't cook. It's the same. How awesome is that? So can, and can't. No. Can you cook? I can cook. I'm very good. Let's try number, not 2, 3. What is this? What's a door, right? It's a door. And it, open. Open. This is open. So, I can open What is that? A door. I can open a door. He can open a door. She can't open a door? No, she can open a door. So, open. Like if I have a book right here. So I have a book. Open. I can open a notebook. I can open a car door and drive. Yeah. I can open a can and cook. I can open a can and cook. There you go. You can make big sentences. Sentences, yeah. It's pretty cool. Can you open a door? Of course you can. Let's try the next one. It's a door. Oh! Close. Close. See, these are very common actions, right? Close. I can close a door. He can't close a book. She can't close that window. Yeah, that's pretty easy. Let's try another one. Open and close. That's easy. Can and can't. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Let's try the next one. What number is this? We had drive. We had cook, open, close. What is this? Wash. Wash. Yeah. I can wash the dishes, but I don't like to. Remember lesson 3? I can wash a bowl, but I don't like to wash dishes. Yeah, I don't like to. Do you like to wash? Tell me. Let's put them all together. Like and can. So he can wash. Yeah, he can wash. We can wash. How about a dog? Oh, I can't wash a dog. Achoo. I have allergies. Achoo. I can't wash a dog. I can wash a dog. I love dogs. Let's try the next one, right? You're doing great. See how easy can and can't is? Here's the next one. Who are they? They are friends. Yeah. Who are they? They are friends. What are they doing? Speak. Talk. This is speak, right? So she can speak. Can you speak? Speak what? She can speak Spanish. I can speak English. Her friend can speak Arabic. What can you speak? Write an answer. Look at that. We're using things from all of the lessons. Friends, like, can, can't. Wow, you're doing awesome. So, can you speak English? I can speak English. She can speak English. Can you speak English? Tell me. Let's try the next one. Here we go. What is she doing? Oh, okay, I get it. What is this? Dance. Okay. Dance. So, she She can dance. Yeah, she can dance. I can't dance. I can't dance. I am bad. I can't dance at all. She can dance. Can you dance? Do you like to dance? I can't dance. I don't like to dance. I want to dance, but I'm bad. I can't dance. Wow. We learned all of these new things really quick, right? Because they all have the same pattern. I like, I want, I can. They're all the same. Except for likes. She likes to dance. We have to remember some things in the pattern are a little different, but it's just a few things. It's really easy. It's very fast to remember. So, can you dance? Can you cook? Do you like to dance? Tell me. Make a big answer in the comments. Say, I like to dance. I can cook. I like to speak English with my friends. Use the sentences and the words that we've learned in lessons 1, 2, 3, and today 4, and make sentences. Practice using these words so you get better. Now, you're doing amazing, and I am so proud of you. I will see you next time. Goodbye.